I greet you all, great Igbo nation, great Igbo race. You are hearing the voice of the National President of Ohanaeze Youth Council, Comrade Ibayaka O Ibayaka. It is very, very important that today we address an important issue, especially on the issue of security in Igbo land, because recently we are aware of the Southeast Security Summit. Today we have some important questions to ask. That summit, who summoned the summit? For whose interest? What was the resolution of that summit? Because we are aware of the meeting of Ohanaeze Igbo led by Nyamodo, and we are aware of their position in respect to regional security to protect Igbo. Today it is obvious, and the Nigeria government, they have established that fact, that we, the Igbo people, we have lose confidence in Nigeria security. And because of this, we are looking for alternative. And before we know it, what we had is a Southeast Security Summit. Unfortunately, I would like to inform our people, I would like to inform the world today that Southeast Security Summit was not summoned by Igbo. That security summit was, I think, the Nigeria government and the Fulani political oligarchy, they want to play smart. And they went and they organized what they call the Southeast Security Summit. As far as we are concerned, as far as Ohanaeze Youth Council is concerned, what they held is a governorship, or how will I describe it? It is a northern affair. It was a northern decision, because they cannot decide in the north. They met, they sat, and decide that the Igbo people will go by community policing. That is their decision. It's not the decision of Igbo. And after the so-called security summit, the Igbo people today, they are not comfortable, they are not happy, they have disassociated themselves from that security summit. So, and we heard that their decision is on community policing, and which is the old system. We are aware of such, and today we are aware that the Yorubas, they have their own regional security. So after that, I did a consultation meetings of all the state of Igbo extraction within Ohanaeze Youth Council, and today we are taking a resolution. One, the Ohanaeze Youth Council, we represent a people and we represent the Igbo race. And we represent over 30 million Igbo youth. So today, I am speaking their mind. Today, I am telling the world what they decided. One, we have disassociated ourselves from the Southeast Security Summit. What we are saying is that Igbo, we want our own native security team or network. And today, we want to tell our governors that they need to go and reconvene. They will go and sit down and discuss about this issue. Because you cannot talk about a security, Southeast Security Summit without discussing it with the people. The question is, the governors, how far have they gone to discuss this issue? We are aware that this issue was not discussed at the National Assembly because this is issue of life. It is issue of security. Fundamental thing they're supposed to do is the governors to summon the House of Assembly members. They will go to their various respective constituency and call for constituency briefing and discuss with the people that they are representing. Look at the situation in the country. What is your opinion? What is your decision? What is your view? What do you want? Because they are representing us. And that is why it is called House of Assembly. So, but the Southeast Governors Forum, they refuse to do that. They refuse to do the necessary. They decided on their own. So, I think that decision is not representing the interest of over 42.8% of the total population of Nigeria, which are the Igbos. So, their decision is not representing our interests. So, our expectation is totally different from what they discussed. And what we are saying today, it is unacceptable. What we are saying today, we cannot accept that decision. So we are also supporting the Ohanaeze Igbo led by Nyangodo, because their decision is the decision of Igbo to have our own a native and the regional security network. But unfortunately, the governors, they are aware of this position, but they were deceived by Nigeria police, they were deceived by Nigeria government to tell them that what we are talking about is a community policing. No, it is wrong. So, like we have said, our position is very, very simple. We are giving the governors of Igbo extraction 30 days to go and have a meeting to come out with the idea of a regional security. We are also asking them to work with Ohanaeze Igbo led by Nyangodo to implement what Ohanaeze Igbo decided at Imobi meeting. It must be implemented, and that is the total submission of Igbo, and that is the total resolution of Igbo. So it is very, very important for our governors to listen to us because they are representing us. It's very, very important. And we are saying it categorically. If they fail to do something, if anything happens to any person in Igbo land, we will hold our governors responsible. We will hold them responsible. Never again will anybody, never again with any leader, in any way, try to sabotage the interests of Igbo. Today, we are together. Today, Ohanaeze Youth Council, we are mobilizing. We are mobilizing Igbo for unity. We are mobilizing Igbo for total integration, politically and economically. So, I thank you all. I want everybody to remain calm. Ohanaeze Youth Council, we will protect your interests. Ohanaeze Youth Council, we will speak your mind. Thank you, and God bless you.